tile is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hey all, so I'm doing an unboxing. This is another dye kit, but this one is so that I can do cotton and bamboo and other plant fibres. It says it can be used for animal fibres as well. It does come with stuff to do that, but I will only use this for my plant fibres. But I've not used these people before, but it seems to have been pretty good delivery, and so we're going to see what it looks like. So it says we should have 12 times 10 gram of the Procion, is it? Dye powders, 250 grams of the sodium carbonate, which is the soda ash for doing plant dyes, and 250 grams of citric acid fixer, which is the acid we need for animal fibres. I already have a dye that I'm using this for, so I'll just add this to the other dyes that I'm using. And then accessory pack, gloves and measuring spoon and full instructions. So let's see what it looks like, shall we? I can't remember how much this was. I think it was £30, maybe £34 or something, I think. I'm not quite sure. But let's have a look. I've not opened it, so I don't know any more than you guys at the moment. So quite a lot of stuff in here, so that might be quite helpful because I've never dyed yarn before. This is all new for me, so this hopefully will be really helpful. Okay, so we have Brilliant Orange, and we have Flaming Red, which quite a deep red looking at that. Then there's Scarlet Red, Brilliant Pink, awesome. I do love my pinks. I didn't actually look what colours came with this. I just bought the kit because it would give me a bunch of different colours. We've got Royal Blue, which I know it's reflecting, so it's probably hard. You can probably hear the cars and the from the dual carriageway side. My door's open because it's very hot. So we've got Bright Turquoise, which looks almost black on here, so I'm going to be really intrigued to see how that comes out. Brilliant Emerald. Well, the actual dye pigment looks a horrid colour, so hopefully it would dye really pretty though, we'll see, because it's certainly not an emerald colour there, I would call it. That's the thing. With these you never know what colour it's going to come out because the pigment can look very different than the end result. So we've got Deep Purple. Don't know if you can see, but it is quite almost like a brown purple in there, but it's got so much reflection I don't know how you can see any of this. Then we've got Dark Brown, which, yeah, you know, it's brown. So we've got Black, which obviously looks not as dark as some of the other colours, so that's funny. Lemon Yellow, ooh, I hope that looked really pretty. And then Bottle Green. I don't actually know what colour Bottle Green is, but it's actually quite a brown pigment. It's going to be interesting to see how that turns out. And then we've got the Citric Acid. This is for the animal fibres. There we go, words, sorry. So I'd use this with my acid dyes. I'm not going to use it with these ones, so that'll go with my other set that, if you haven't seen, do check out the unboxing video of that one, but that's what I use that with. And then sodium carbonate, which is basically soda ash, I believe. Box wants to fall over, but this I'll be using with these dyes, which will be for my plant fibres. So it's gonna think it's not a bad amount, 250 grams of each of them. Then we've got some gloves. Always need more gloves when you're dyeing. And then Here's just the measuring spoon, which if anyone's had kids will know that that's a kiddie medicine spoon. But I have other measuring spoons I can use instead of this. So it's not a bad set. I'm quite happy with that. I was a little worried with how small the box was compared to the other one, but they've just packed it really well and not wasted any space, which I really like, because there's no point wasting space. Trying to put them up so you can see them all. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 dies. So it's not too bad, is it? Pop that back in. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to go and attempt to do the dyeing in a minute. So starting with the pre-soak. So do check back soon for my hopefully not disasters of actually using this and the other dye kit. So I will see you all soon. Take care. Bye.